Are you guys ready for the main event of the evening? PWF, IWTV, are you guys ready for the main event of the evening? Good, because the following match could theoretically one day be sponsored by Applebee's and is for the PWF Undisputed Championship. Don't sweat the technique.
And here he is, one of the best independent wrestlers ever to grace the ring. Jigsaw makes his PWF Crystal Coast debut.
I expected you guys to be louder than that.
Jigsaw hits him with the "come on," and the crowd goes wild. And if you can hear that horn, you know what that means. It means the champ is here. And the crowd has come unglued.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this match is a singles match scheduled for one fall and is for the PWF Undisputed Championship. Introducing first, to my left, he is the challenger from Bronx, New York, weighing in at 191 pounds. Former TNA Impact superstar, international superstar, Jigsaw! And to my right, he is the reigning PWF Undisputed Champion from right here in Jacksonville, North Carolina, weighing in at 365 pounds, the Dreadlock Demolition Machine, Bojack!
This crowd firmly behind Bojack. So behind him, you'll think that Applebee's will name an appetizer after him soon. Those Bojack chicken bites are gonna be amazing.
The man formerly known as TNA's own Rubik's has found himself at odds with not only with the Premier Wrestling Federation champion, but with this crowd here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. The bell is rung and Jigsaw is in the Premier Wrestling Federation. I bit my tongue a little bit on that big announcement.
Wondered what that stutter was. That's joy.
That was
that's pain.
Two
that's
molars.
grief.
Two
that's
molars
everything.
crashing down on my taste buds. Jigsaw is a jerk, someone I've done a lot of battle with. Bojack is one of my first graduating students at the Carolina Wrestling Academy. I can't wait to see what we have here tonight. Bojack locking up with the champion, but possibly...
Did he push him away? Did Jigsaw pull back?
Hey, Pizza Man, get off your phone!
He,
Watching you!
Jigsaw talking to a man dressed as a slice of pizza. Jigsaw doesn't like that. Lactose intolerant and phone intolerant.
Bojack just backing his opponent up into the corner.
And a clean break from Bojack.
Bojack has nothing
You love to see it.
Pizza Man distracted me, but it won't happen again.
Bojack on social media, one of the great tweets that the Premier Wrestling Federation puts out. Let everyone know that Bojack actually looks up to Jigsaw as he was growing up.
Listen, this Jigsaw's taller than him.
Shut up.
Right on.
One of his favorite matches of all time, he said he's watched it at least 50 times, is a famous match with Jigsaw, Kota Ibushi, Nick Jackson, and El Generico. A couple guys you've heard of before.
No, who?
I said a couple.
No, I've never heard of him. Who are we?
Dude, Tony Khan's not going to book us if you keep talking like that.
Yeah, you should try to send him a cease and desist. They'll definitely do that then, too.
Jigsaw was able to actually take Bojack off his... He was able to let Bojack kind of lean his weight forward, and he was able to shuck his weight down against his own momentum. Beautiful idea from Jigsaw.
Just a little. Just a little.
Jigsaw asking for 6 feet.
Bojack. The Pizza Man's trying to steal your belt! Hey!
What?
He tried to distract him, and that did not go well for him. Oh!
When in doubt, chop it out.
Jigsaw trying to take his attention off the champion. Oh, just gloms him in the corner.
Tried to point out the dastardly pizza man, the hamburglar of the PWF, they call him.
And let's not forget that Bojack is also, smooth sailing, baby!
Oh.
It's a big body slam from a big man, and he follows it up with a big senton!
Woo! That smooth sailing just got sunk.
Jigsaw might be regretting taking the fight. I mean, having 365 pounds of Bojack come crashing down on your sternum is nowhere to be.
Somebody should tell Jigsaw that Bojack's wearing a very nice pleather vest. Oh, torture crab!
Just breaking his opponent's will by breaking him in half. Bojack is in firm control of this contest ever since the beginning. The challenger has to change his game plan if he's going to put up some type of fight against this champion.
Oh! Oh, man, he wish he had a pleather vest around his stomach. Just a big old meat paw right there in the tum-tum. Just a paw.
This big old meatball.
Big old meat paw.
Right in the tum-tum.
I'm Southern, guys. What can I say?
Uh-oh. This might
Right
be Bojack
for a
Bomb 2.
second.
It might be Bojack Bomb 2.
Oh! That'll detach the quad.
Oh!
Leg drop across the back.
Almost a bicycle leg drop. Uh-oh. Here comes Jigsaw.
Crowd's not going anywhere.
Oh!
Oh, there goes another chair and 3 fans. Go ahead, get the insurance guy on the phone. Oh, they also knocked over a soda. That's a cleaning bill. Jigsaw really taking it to Bojack. Bojack really taking it to those chairs.
The most consequential suicide dive this company has ever seen.
We're never financially recovered from this.
Luckily, the people in the crowd are cool.
Well, Problematic Sweater loves this. This crowd getting right behind Bojack. The same way those chairs got right behind Bojack a little bit ago.
And Jigsaw, ever since that tope suicida the time wishes it could forget, Jigsaw is in firm control of this contest.
The tope suicida, the deposit wishes it could forget.
Here in the Premier Wrestling Federation, you might just get one of the greatest souvenirs, including a wrestler in the lap.
That's not going to buff out. Still wearing a vest.
I don't know if I want to exchange chops with Bojack. That's just me, though, personally.
Is it because of his big meat paws?
It's the big meaty paws that could go for my tum-tum, go for my boobs.
Just.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Jigsaw.
Yep. Suplexing. Oh. A lot of open hand slaps to the face.
Known for his brainbuster, Jigsaw has put many opponent away since the early 2000s.
Whoa! No!
How dare you!
Good.
Oh!
Very good. He just gave that man a 2 for 20. He just punched him right in the kisser with some sweet chicken wonton tacos.
Listen. If Jigsaw becomes champion tonight, we do not condone any Applebee's. Please, for the love of God, we do not condone anything that any of these wrestlers may have errantly said. We are so sorry.
Applebee's, please realize we've broken a lot of chairs this evening. We've broken about $50 in chairs.
Crossbody. Oh!
There we go. Some baby back rib breakers. Oh!
Oh my God!
An explosive quesadilla burger suplex.
All right. It's the main event.
Really
it's the main event. Come on.
They broke some chairs. We got to really get back on that.
That's true. You owe this to us, both of you. Jigsaw finally got a little bit of offense in, but Bojack just taking right back over. Oh!
I don't think he can take one more. I think he's lost a couple pieces to the puzzle.
Oh, blocks the kick with his foot. And here comes Jigsaw. Oh no.
What?
Oh!
Go ahead, say the Japanese name of that move.
1, 2, the Bojack suit. Wow. Nah. Listen, guys. Listen.
Is that your
It's all right.
patented
It's all right.
Kenta Kobayashi
Hey.
accent?
It's all right, everybody. It's all right. It's okay. Guys, we're still here.
Production asking Jakob Hammermeyer some questions he should know the answer to. Jigsaw, big European uppercut, big integrator to the back of the head. Well, I guess small comparatively, but still large to some. Jigsaw going to the top rope. Checking the distance. Oh!
What a double stomp from the challenger!
That leather vest didn't stop that double stomp.
2, new champ! Oh! And we did not see Bojack kick out with the normal feather that we normally see. That has really put a strain on the champion. Feeling it
because he broke that man's shoulder blade.
His ribs, his shoulder blade, scapula. Going back for the brainbuster again. That's a lot of man to pick up. Jigsaw does look thicker than he used to be.
That's a whole mess of brain.
You can do it!
Rob Schneider is here. He's a stapler.
Ripcord.
Whoa!
Float over. Oh.
Yes. Wait a minute. Oh, man.
Oh! Turns him inside out. Bojack might be done. What did we have here? Off the ropes. Up. Oh! Cover. 1, 2. Oh!
Ref Yo-Yo says 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jigsaw is here to take Bojack, the champion, not only to his limits, but past his limits. He's here to pull the champion out to deep waters to try to take advantage of his veteran presence in the squared circle. But Bojack looking to put his opponent away, possibly with that Grand Smasher. Catches the line. Oh, back elbow from Jigsaw. Rubik's kick. Knee.
Super kick. Brave Buster.
Oh, he hit it! He hit it! Brave Buster! We got a new champ! Bojack is limp! Bojack is limp!
That's because he's dead.
2! Oh! Jigsaw using the momentum of Bojack coming off the ropes to assist and actually getting him up for that Brave Buster. And Bojack is hurt. Bojack is in trouble.
Bojack kicked out of muscle memory alone. He had no will behind that.
I don't know if he knows where he is in the ring right now. Sometimes, guys, I don't know if you know this, but when you take a lot of damage to the brain, you get up and everything is spinning.
Jigsaw is toying with him.
Oh!
This man just kicked out of the biggest move you have in your arsenal, and all you want to do is slap him around.
Pounce! Pounce! He pounced him! And here comes the champion! He has him up! What is this? Bojack Bob 2! Oh! He hooks the legs! 3! And Jigsaw takes the champion to his absolute limit. But the Dreadlock Demolition Machine won't be outdone tonight.
Your winner and still PWF Undisputed Champion, Bojack!
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us on IWTV, #PWF Wrestlevania. I'm Jakob Hammermeyer.
I'm Sadist number 2, a.k.a. Caitlin Marie number 2, a.k.a. Papa Riley.
And that's it for us. We'll catch you next month in November for Surely They Can't All Be Bangers as we close out this evening. Oh,
and in about 45 minutes at Applebee's.
Bojack
We're going to turn this over to Bojack.
Bojack wants a mic. Bojack wants a mic. I was in the middle of a beautiful sign-off. Everything was hitting.
Jigsaw, you listen to me, and you listen to me good. Because I'm only going to say this once. Earlier this week, I told you you were someone that I genuinely looked up to in this business. But I also told you that today, when we step in this ring, the fan goes out the window. At the end of the day, I'm a champion. And although I am still the champion, you put up one hell of a fight. Yes, sir. And I want to thank you for stepping into this ring and letting these people see what they came here to enjoy. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.
So I can't recapture that beautiful closeout that I had before. But ladies and gentlemen, the champion Bojack has spoken. Jigsaw has been vanquished. And we will see you next month in November for Surely They Can't All Be Bangers. I'm Jakob Hammermeyer. Thank you for joining us on IWTV. We love y'all. Peace.